So hello and very good morning dear students. I hope you have enjoyed the last festival, that is Raksha Bandhan, a lot. So now let's get back to the chapter which we have started in the last lecture, that is arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Now today we will be continuing with the questions as we have done up to question number 3rd, and in the last lecture we have seen 2-3 formulas, that is for finding the anth term or the nth term of the series. We apply an, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and that is called to find the nth term of the series. Then to find the sum of the series, we apply Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket a plus an, or n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so these two formulas we have seen. So based on these two formulas we will be doing the questions, and here you have the 4th question, which says which term of the AP, that is 2, 7, 12, 17 is 52. Means they are asking that in this particular progression, what is the position of 52 in this series? Okay, so how we will solve this? See, let an be 52. You consider this 52 be the nth term of the series, because we don't know that 52 will be on which position, means which term will be 52. Okay, so let the an be equal to 52. What we have a, which is what, 2. How we will find d? Second term minus first term, 7 minus 2, which is 5. Okay, so d is equal to 5. Now let's consider, as we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of an we can put 52. So 52 is equal to a plus n we have to find, we don't know n, and what is d with us? 5. Okay, so 52 is equal to 2 plus, multiply 5 inside, so it will be 5n minus 5. Okay, what is 2 minus 5? Minus 3. Okay, so 5n minus 3. Okay, 2 minus 5 minus 3 we can take here, so it will be 52 plus 3 equal to 5n. What is 52 plus 3? 55. Okay, equal to 5n. So we got n is equal to 55 by 5. What is n? We got at last, that is 11. Okay, so we got n equal to 11. This says that 52 is on the 11th position of this progression, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11th term will be 52. So that is what they are trying to ask. Okay. Okay, now let's come to the next question. I am taking 6th question, 5th will be the homework. Question is, which term of AP 20, 17, 14, 11 is minus 16? So in this series, what is the position of minus 16 in it? Okay, that we have to detect. So again, let us consider this term to be the nth term of the series, that is an is equal to minus of 16. Then a will be equal to 20. What will be d? Second term minus first term, 17 minus 20 minus 3. As we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of an we can put minus of 16. In place of a, 20, n minus 1, and d minus of 3. Now transpose this minus 20 here, so it will be minus 20. So minus 16 minus 20, it will be minus 36. Minus 3 I have taken here. Okay, we can see that this minus to minus we can directly cancel. So 36, it is in multiplication, it will go in division here. 36 upon 3 equal to n minus 1, which is 12. N minus 1, take minus 1 here. So n is equal to 12 plus 1, 13. So that is how we got 13. So minus 16 is at the 13th position in this particular series. Okay. Okay, now come to the 7th question, which is the second and the 7th term of an AP are 10 and 45 respectively. Find the 10th term. Now we are given with the two terms. Okay, what those two terms are? A2, which is 10, A7, which is 45, and we have to find A10. Okay, so in a particular series we are given with this two, and we have to find the 10th term. Now how to find this? Okay, so such type of questions can be important because we need to use a method here, which is the elimination method for solving the two linear equation. Now how we will get two linear equation? Let's see. So A2, as we know what, that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is A2? What will be A2? It will be a plus 2 minus 1 into d, which is A2 is equal to a plus d. As in the previous lecture also I have make you understand this thing, that like if you want to find a 15th term, so we call that as a plus 14d. If you want to find a 20 term, a plus 19d. Why? This n minus 1. So similarly A2 will be a plus 1d, which is a plus d. What is A2 with us? 10. So 10 is equal to a plus d. Okay. Consider this as the first equation. We have A7, which is a plus 60. Yes, right? So in place of A7 we can put 45. So 45 is equal to a plus 6d. Consider this to be the second equation. Now with these two equations we need to eliminate. Okay, so let's eliminate. So using elimination method, these two we have to. So a plus 6d is equal to 45 and a plus d is equal to 10. Minus minus minus. They two will be cancelled. 6d minus d will give you 5d. 45 minus 10 will give you 35. So from here you will get d is equal to 7, because 35 upon 5 is 7. So d is equal to 7. We got d. Okay, keep it. With this d, put in the first equation. So on putting d equal to 7, 7 will be transposed here. So a will be equal to 3. So we got a and we got d, because these two are very important factors for finding any term. Okay, so here we require a10. So what will be a10 then? A10 will be a plus 90. I am rubbing this part. Okay, so again, as we know, a is equal to this. So a10 is a plus 90. A10 is equal to a we got, which is 3, plus 9 into d we got, which is 7. So 3 plus 63, 66. So the 10th term of the progression is 66. Similarly, if you see the next question, that is 8-1. So you will see the same question they have asked. Now they have given us the third term and the sixth term, and they are asking the first term and the common difference to be found. So you can easily do this. Okay. Now let's come to the 10th one. See, 9th one they are asking if the numbers 2k minus 3, k plus 1, 2k plus 3 are in AP, find the numbers. And the 10th question is also same as that of 9. So I'll explain you 10th, apply in the 9th, you will get the answer. Okay. So let's do the 10th one now. See what to do in such type of questions. Okay. If these 4 terms are in AP, then find the value of A, B. That means we have to find these two values. So we know one thing, that for a particular progression the common difference remains same. There is no change in the common difference. Okay, so one thing we can keep like as the common difference are same throughout the progression. So what can we write? Second term minus first term a minus 1 is equal to third term minus second term is equivalent to fourth term minus third term. Can we write like this? Yes. Second term minus first term is equivalent to third term minus second term is equivalent to fourth term minus third term. Okay. So we have such type of case. Now we have two equalized thing. So we need to take a pairs of, let's take first these two we will take, and then we will take these two. It's on you. If you want to take these two you can take. Okay, any two things you can, any two sides you can take, you will get the same answer. Okay, so we will be taking these two at first and these two at second. So on equalizing, a minus 1 is equal to b minus a. Okay, just write it in the form of linear equation. So this minus a will be transposed here, so it will be a, and this minus a plus a 2a. Okay, take this minus of b here, and minus 1 will be transposed that side, so it will be in such a way. So this is our first equation. Okay, now take first one and the last one. So a minus 1 is equal to 13 minus b. Take minus of b here, so a plus b, and minus 1 will be transposed that side, so 14. It will be 13 plus 1, 14. So this is the second equation. Now we have the two equation using elimination method. Okay, what can we write? This is 2a minus 1 is equal 2a minus b equal to 1. And a plus b equal to 14. We need to multiply the second equation by 2 so that a should be eliminated. So multiply this with 2. What we will get? Let me write here on the top. So it will be like this, because 2 will be multiplied with each of the term. Minus minus minus, it is cancelled. Minus b minus 2b will give you minus of 3b. 1 minus 28 minus 27. Minus to minus cancelled. B is equal to 27 upon 3, which is 9. So we got b is equal to 9. Now substitute the value of b in this one or this one, anything will get the value of a. So putting the value in, let's say second equation, so b equal to 9, so a plus 9 equal to 14. A equal to 14 minus 9, how much? 5. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 9. Okay, so now before starting the next question, that is the 11th question, I just want to explain you one thing, and that is how to choose number of terms in APC. Now you will be dealing with the questions which says that the sum of 3 numbers in the AP is this, and the product of first and last is this, or the sum of the 4 terms in the AP is this, or sum of the 5 terms of an AP is this, and you are given with the product also, like product of first and fourth is this. So you need to find the first term, common difference, as well as some terms. Then this is the like fixed number of terms which you have to always consider. Okay, so how to choose number of terms in AP? So if you are asked with the 3 terms, like say for example the sum of 3 terms in the AP is such and such, so always 3 terms you have to consider that as a minus d, a plus d. Okay, so and how we are considering these 3 terms? See, if you take the common difference also, you will get the same. So what will be the common difference of this progression? Second term minus first term. So a minus plus a to a cancelled, we got d as the answer. If you take the third term minus second term, so a plus d minus a to a cancelled, we got d as the answer. So you have to choose the numbers also in such a way that the common difference should be same, it should not be different. Okay, so if you see the fourth term here, 4 terms are in AP, so you have to consider 4 terms as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. If you subtract this from this and the last one from this preceding one, you will get the same common difference. Okay, if they are asking about 5 terms in this AP, then you have to consider this 5. So you write this in a box mentioning this thing, because this can be the important note for you. Okay, now let's start with the question. So we have the question 11. The sum of 3 numbers in an AP is 54 and the product of first and third is 288. Find the numbers. So let's find the numbers. Okay, so let's start. Let the 3 terms in AP are a minus d, a plus d, as said before. According to the question, they are saying that the sum of these 3 terms is 54. So a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 54. We can see that this d to d cancelled. Okay, a plus a, you will get 3a equal to 54. A is equal to 54 upon 3, which is 18. Now again we are given with the product of first and the third term is 288. So first and third term, if you can see, you are getting an identity of a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square is equal to 288. In place of a, we can put 18. So 18 square minus d square is equal to 288. 18 square is 364 minus d square is equal to 288. Okay, just transpose this minus d square that side and 128 here. So we'll get 36 as the answer, which is what then d will be equal to plus minus of 6. We got d, we got a. Can you find the numbers on putting the values here? So for taking for positive 6, see, you have to take 2 conditions. For positive 6, you have to find the numbers, and for the negative 6 also I'm rubbing this. Okay, so for d is equal to 6, the numbers will be d is equal to 6 and a is equal to 18. So 18 minus 6, 18 plus 6. 18 minus 6 you will get 12, 18, and here you will get 24. And for the negative 6, a is same. For the negative, you just find. Okay, so that is how we will do the question. Now again, 12th one will be the homework for you. Okay, okay, let's do the 14th one, because see, 13th also you can easily do. Why? Because you are asked with the 4 terms. Find the 4 terms in AP such that they are sum. So 4 terms, I already given you the hint how to calculate for the 4 terms. Let's do the 14th one, which is the sum of 5 terms in AP is 40. The product of the first and last is 228. Find the numbers. So let's do this now. Okay, so the question says that the sum of 5 numbers is 40 and their product is 28. So let the 5 numbers be a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. So according to the first condition, we have to sum them. You know, one thing have you spotted, that we have considered the 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms in such a way that one variable is eliminated. See, we have 2 variables here, a and d, because they too are unknown variables. So you consider the numbers in such a way that on their sum, this unknown variable should be eliminated. Okay, so that such type of logic we have to apply. We are left with 5 a's. So 5a is equal to 40. So a is equal to 8. We got the first term, which is 8. According to the second condition, we are given with the product of first and last term is 28. So product of first and last is what? A minus 2d, a plus 2d is equal to 28. Okay, so so a minus 2d, a plus 2d, here identity, so that is a square minus 2d the whole square is equal to 28. So a square, in place of a we can put 8 square, 2d which is 4d square equal to 28. 8 square is 64. So okay, I'm rubbing here. Rubbing this, okay. So 8 square is 64. So 64 transposing minus 4d square that side and 28 here. So it will be like this. Now 64 minus 28 is 36. Okay. So 36 is equal to 4d square. Taking 4 here, so d square is equal to 36 by 4, which is 9. So d is equal to plus minus 3. We got d is equal to plus minus 3. A we got 8. Now you know how to find the 5 numbers. For the both of the cases, that is for d equal to positive 3 and d equal to minus 3, find the 5 numbers and you will get the answer. Okay. Now from the 15th question we'll start in the next exercise. Okay. Till that, do the practice, see the examples also. Okay. And do the work. Okay. Till that, thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.